I'll see you in hell.
Okay. This is day 5 in the house. Snowed in with this one and that one. Listening to music. Guess what we're playing though? Tekken. What is this? Tekken 5? Tekken 2? Tekken 5? This is Tekken 5? Nobody's answering me. Stop! I'm taking turns right now. Hey Sean. Hey Sean. I know you hear me, nigga. My turn.
You lose. Get ready for the next battle.
I'm gonna need you to shut up. Oh, did you see that? He jumped right over me. No! Yeah, boy.
Right in the back of the head.
You win.
Ow!
Get ready for the next battle.
Hurt.
Final round. Fight.
Oh, shit.
Hey. Did he even hit me yet? I don't think he hit me yet.
Girl, you got him in the corner. You supposed to keep swinging.
Is she alright?
You win.
Is she okay? I'm whooping some tail.
That's goodness.
Hey, we won. We won.
Players.
We won. See. Winner. We won 8 times. Anyways, see you later. Form spring me, DC19. Twitter me, Winterfresh. Okay, later.